Old pal.
Lightning!
I came as soon as I heard. Thought you might need a bit of help.
Thanks for coming, little buddy.
Wouldn't miss.
What's that supposed?
So, what's the plan, kid?
See those guys at the end of episode 39? Flight from the Forbidden Forts?
The one where I ran, jumped, and sprang?
No. Sneaked, evaded, and triumphed.
Oh, yeah. Of course. I get it.
Hey, you're a pretty smart kid. That's a good plan. Stealthy. But we don't need any of that. Villains always cringing. What we need is a full frontal assault.
For me!
Oh, I'm right behind you, pal. He's been faking it, all right. I am not your little buddy. This kid trusted you, and look where it's got him.
What does he mean?
He's been lying to you all day, kid. He doesn't care about you or your family. He was just trying to get his name in the paper and save his job. Ask him.
What?
But, hey, genius! You're no hero! It's a plan to recast you. I just had to get you out of the way. I gotta go take your place on the show. My show.
Ah, Lightning, you're one of a kind.
Lightning, don't let him hurt me! Lightning, this might be the end. I can feel the warm kiss of life ere it pops my cheek. Do not mourn me when I am gone. It is enough that you were here at the end.
Good night, sweet prince. I'm not with him. I was trying to help Thunderbolt. Honest. That's what I do. I'm the sidekick. We're a team. Come on, fellas. Come on. Don't you want